Hello. So I realized I forgot to do an intro and exit on my videos. Sometimes this happens, not a big deal. So this video that I did a couple days ago, I was harvesting lavender, peppers, potatoes, and tomatoes. I was harvesting all of those things. So, and I was teaching you a little bit of how I particularly like to harvest my lavender. So I hope you guys enjoy and get something out of the video. Okay, so here is the lavender. You can see that a couple of the buds have flowered already on them, but the ones that haven't are like this. These little ones right here, you can see like these ones over. These ones have flowered right here, and then these ones haven't. So the goal is when you're harvesting your lavender is to not have them flowered yet. And that makes them hold on to more of their oils. So if they have flowered, you're just losing a lot of that, that oil and that fragrance. So this strand has a few flowers on it. Most of the buds are closed, but this has this long stem. So what I'll do is I'll come in here and I'll cut back here at the stem so that I can dry it. I'm going to use my lavender for like almost like potpourri and just to hang for decoration in the house. You still can use it if it's flowered. It just doesn't have as potent of a flavor. But again, I'm just going to dry mine and hang it and have it look pretty. Maybe make a wreath out of it. More ornamental for us. The bee buzzing around the lavender. The harvest of lavender, tomatoes, and some jalapeno peppers. Full day of harvest. Not too bad, not too shabby. Potatoes for dinner. We ended with 4 bundles of lavender to dry. So there is a little bit of a harvest for early summer. So I didn't get as many potatoes as I thought I was going to, but that's okay. I got some. We were able to make meals out of them, and some is better than none, right? That's the potatoes I didn't have to buy at the grocery store. So anyway, got quite a bit of lavender. It smells amazing, drying it right now in the kitchen. And the tomatoes really are just, as you could see at the end of the video, there weren't as many as when I was picking them. It's because they ended up going in my mouth, because I absolutely love those little, I think they're either cherry tomatoes or pear tomatoes. They're amazing. Delicious. Delicious. Anyway, so if you liked what we did today, subscribe, hit that like button, tune in for more content. I'm going to have a cool 4th of July video up of making a delicious cake. So stay tuned for that. And as always, I hope you have a good day, no matter where you are.